Right, so let's go ahead and go to Pure Lender. Pure Lender is the landing page generator we are going to use. So we're going to go ahead and go to purelender.com/sign up. So here's the website. Let's see, here we can see the features that we are going to use and which we can use actually. We can use a countdown that will really make someone want to click the offer. We can use exit pop-ups when they try to close the page, they get a pop-up. We can make their phone vibrate. Let's see, we can redirect the visitors. We can deploy JavaScript alerts. So whenever they go to the page, they actually see a JavaScript alert. This can really help to up your conversions. And we can use the disable back button so they can't leave the page without clicking on the offer. So let's go ahead and log in. This is the inside of the website. As you can see, these are the templates we can use. The Pure Lender has a lot of templates, a lot of mobile pop-up templates we can use. Some are for sweepstakes, others are for CPI, so cost per install, for apps, and for a lot of different things. So let's see which one we can use today as an example. Let's use this one. Let's click on use it. So on this page we can change everything we'd like. So let's see, the landing title is congratulations, you have won. That's great. Description 3 says you have won today's brand name daily deal competition. So let's change this up to Apple. Apple's brand name Apple. So Apple organizes a daily deal competition among all Galaxy Note 3 users and Conyers. So this is a location, we don't want to use that. So let's delete this one. Among all Galaxy Note 3 users, so we don't know yet what mobile our visitors are using. What we can do is use variables that are built into Pure Lender to actually capture the mobile device our visitors are using. So how can we do this? Let's go ahead and click on device and browser. As you can see, right here, you have a variable called device model. This is what we'd like to use. There are a lot of variables you can use. You can actually capture the operating system name, the engine name, battery model, whatever you'd like. Let's use device model. The default value we like to use phone. Let's go ahead and copy this one. Let's click on update. So right here, going to go. So we're going to change Galaxy Note 3 into the variable we have chosen. So instead, it will say every day Apple organizes a daily deal competition among all device model users, and the web page will actually automatically capture what mobile device a person is using and use that instead of device model. So if someone is using Samsung, it's going to change it into Samsung. So let's see what people have to do. How to claim your prize voucher, easy. Let's change this up. Change it into green. Green really conveys a message that there's something to be won. This looks great. Let's change it up to price. Claim this price. All right, so let's see here. Let's go ahead and update the lender. So at the right side, we can see the features that Pure Lender is known for. It's a lot of, well, a bit black hat like stuff we can do. We can use JavaScript alerts. Let's type in this is your last chance to retrieve your prize. We can make the phone vibrate. I don't like to do this one because it's a bit annoying, I think. So let's don't use that. We can make all the pages clickable. Let's go ahead and disable the back button. We can redirect the people when they go to the back button, but let's not do that today. Let's see here. So what we can see here is that the image that is used is of iPhone 7, and we want to do a sweepstakes offer for an iPhone X. So let's go ahead and change this up. I've already downloaded a picture we can use. All right, let's update the lender. So as you can see, the picture is changed into an iPhone X, exactly like what we'd like to do. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and click update lender. Now, clicking on here, we can actually preview the page, and let's see how it will look like. Alright, as we can see, it says this is your last chance to retrieve your prize, exactly like we'd wanted to say. So basically, this is what the page will look like when on a mobile page. PureLender actually offers an option to look at the page on a mobile device. We can do that later, but this is what it will look like. Let's see, if we click on claim this prize, we will actually go to google.com. So this is not something we'd like to do. What we want to do is put our affiliate link into the call to action link. So what this means is that the affiliate link that we have found that we want to promote, we put into this part instead of the google.com. So when people click on retrieve your prize, they will actually go to the page we'd like them to go. So how do we find these offers? How can we find offers that we can use in a sweepstake? One of the websites we can use, there are a lot of websites that we can actually use, but OfferVault is a good one to begin with. So let's go to OfferVault. OfferVault has a lot of affiliate CPA offers that we can use. Let's use the search term iPhone and look at the offers that we can use. So as you can see, let's see here, there are a lot of offers. You really have to look which one you'd like, what affiliate platform you want to use. You are probably a member of one of them already. If you aren't, you have to make an account so you can use the CPA offers and get an affiliate URL and actually get paid by the platform. For example, let's just use this one. So as you can see, this is the offer. Let's see, promotion allowed, display, social, search, PPV, email, exactly what like we want to, no incentives. All right, so we can actually use this. Let's go ahead and click on it. This is the example page. If you want to use this, you just go to affiliates, you will come on affiliate, and you can actually use the offer. As an example, I'm going to use my own link, but it's just an example link. Let's go ahead and go to the call to action link. Let's put in the affiliate link that we want to use. Normally you would actually use a tracker, stuff like that, so you can do A/B testing and actually optimize your conversions. But for now we are just going to do a bareback method, so without the tracker, without any extra stuff. In another video I will show you how you can actually do this with a tracker. So let's use this as a call to action. Let's update the lender. So when we go to the page, we see our pop-up page. This is what it will look like. When you click claim this price, you actually go to the affiliate link. So when people fill this in, you get paid. In this case, you get paid like $3.50. All right, so what can we do now? Let's see. The page size is actually 15 kilobytes. That's extremely small, and that's exactly what we'd like in a pop-up. So let's go ahead and click on download, and what we see is that we can actually download a zip file. These are the files that you actually have to upload to your hosting provider or to your VPS. I recommend using a VPS or a Amazon bucket to actually host this, and you'd like to use a host in the country that you're campaigning for. When we go to the iPhone page, we actually see the files that we have to upload. You don't have to do anything else, just upload this to the root server and it will show your page.